Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome, guys, to my YouTube channel. And This day I'm going to be analyzing the Eurchf. As you can see here clearly, Eurchf. So I'll be analyzing this pair with my strategy. Alright, guys. Um, Before I will start my analysis, go down to the comment section. You're going to see a link that will lead you to my free Telegram channel. That is where you get to benefit from some of my signals and then get to see my trade setups on the channel. So guys, the strategy I use in analyzing with my students daily is the retail concept. The concept has many diversity. We have the trend line, we have the break and retest, we have the patterns, chart patterns, the flag patterns, the pennant, and so many. So guys, whenever you want to analyze a market, you start from the higher time frame. For me, I love starting from the monthly time frame, like what you are seeing here. The Euro CHF is currently on the monthly time frame. So from here, what do? I first bring up my analytical tool, which is my trend line, because me, whenever I want to start chart analyzing, I love starting with the trend line because I know that's what gives me an edge to know if the trend of the market is bullish or bearish. And this is how I draw it. This is how I draw it. On drawing your trend line, you should make sure that you have at least three touches of it. Three touches of it. Right, this is what I mean. This is your monthly trend line. Let's see how it will fit into this price. All right, from the monthly time frame, we have this level and this level, this level and this level to be our first and second touch. This is the first touch and this is the second touch. So from here, we are going to couple this analysis with the key levels. Key levels are like support and resistance zones in the market, something of this nature. You clearly see this was a nice key level. There's a nice key level here. This was formerly a resistance level, and this trend line is called downtrending resistance trend line. And again, still at that former resistance level, price came back again and then retested that level and then made a move to the downside. So from here, let's switch to the next lower time frame, which is the weekly time frame. Now, being the weekly time frame, what are we to observe again in the market? Another key level that will rhyme to this trend line. Remember that our first key level rhymed with our trend line. This was the trend line, and this was the key level. Remember, this is a resistance key level, this is a support key level, and again we had what? Another resistance key level here that rhymes with the trend line and the key level itself. So that's what really made that zone to be very strong. Even on our first level, on our first touch of this trend line, we had another key level that match up with the trend line, and this is it. Very nice. This was formerly a support key level. Take a look at this. This is like a breakout of this key level, and again, the support key level formula being converted to a resistance key level and gave a touch at this first trend line level. So again, we are hoping to have this level to be our third touch of this trend line. so that after this touch, market to reverse to the downside. But what are the confluences attached to prove to us that this level will certainly touch and then reverse to the downside? We will still use our key level to know if price will certainly touch this trend line and then reverse to the downside, or price will break out of it and then retest, then make a move to the upside. So to see to that confluence, let's move to the daily time frame. That's the next lower time frame. All right, here in the daily time frame, we could clearly see that we have a nice key level at this point, a very nice key level here. Now let's move to the weekly time frame for some confirmations. All right, here in the weekly time frame, you could clearly see that not even at that zone, but at this zone too, this was like a support key level. This is a fake out, and this is what this particular level. Let me zoom out so you could see well. This particular level is a resistance key level, the resistance key level. And market again is coming back to that key level and also get in touch with this downtrending resistance trend line, so that after the retest of that level, market will come again to the downside. So now we've gotten that confluence. So we can head again to the next lower time frame, which is, let's move to the 4 hours time frame. Now let's go back to the daily time frame. All right, here in the daily time frame, what market is saying is we're having this belief that our bias is now going to be flowing this way, something of this nature, getting in touch with this. Is it that market gets in touch with this key level and then make a move to the downside, or market will have to do something of this nature, trade above this key level and then get in touch with the trend line and then reverse to the downside? So that is our bias for Euro CHF. A bias for Euro CHF. To see many of my setups, check the comment section. You are going to see a link to my free Telegram channel. Click the link and then join my free Telegram channel. From there, you can get to message me to join my mentorship class. There you get to see my prices. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video up to this point. You can get to like and then subscribe to the channel to be alerted anytime a new video is dropped on this channel. Thank you very much, guys.